To make a construction paper basket, cut 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch paper into strips lengthwise. Make each strip half an inch wide. Lay out 8 strips parallel to each other lengthwise. Then take another strip and position it perpendicular to the first 8. Weave the new strip over and under each of the other strips. Repeat with another 7 strips. Push the strips close together so you have a woven square in the middle that's about 4 by 4 inches. Fold up all the loose ends around the central square. Next, take a new strip of paper and tape another half a strip to the end to extend it. Weave it over and under each of the strips that you just folded up to form the sides of the basket. Then attach the ends together. Repeat this process with several more strips until you reach the top of the basket. Fold down the ends of the vertical strips and glue them into place. If you want, use another long strip to make a handle. Tape the ends to the inside of the basket on either side.